Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. Let's start by opening the Instagram app. Once you're in, go straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Tap that to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down until you find Who Can See Your Content. Tap on Hide Story and Live. After that, tap Hide Story From. Now, you need to select every single follower on your list. This tells Instagram to hide your story from everyone. Once everyone is selected, go back. At this point, your stories are now hidden from every follower. That means anything you post to your story will not be visible to anyone but you. Now we're going to upload the content that you want to appear in your highlight. Go back to your home screen and tap on the plus icon to start a new story. Choose the photo or video that you want to upload. Tap the arrow or Next button at the bottom right. Then tap Share. Now here's the key step. Right after you tap Share, Instagram will show an option to Add to Highlight. Tap on that. You can now choose an existing highlight or create a new one. If you're creating a new one, give it a name and tap Add. Your story has now been posted and saved to your highlight. But since it was hidden from everyone, no one will see it in their feed or on your profile story ring. Now, all you need to do is wait for 24 hours. After that time, the story will disappear automatically, but it will still remain in your highlights section. And that's it. You've just added a highlight to your Instagram without sharing a public story. Thanks for watching.